welcome back to my Mexican kitchen here in Switzerland. A little birdie told me that you guys are running out of peanut butter and you want to try making your own, so I thought I would show you how. The ingredients you need to make homemade peanut butter you can find absolutely anywhere you live. It doesn't matter the country. These are very basic ingredients. It's very easy. And all you need is a couple of minutes, well, a bit more than a couple of minutes, 10, 15 to 20 minutes tops, and you'll be enjoying your delicious homemade peanut butter, which is honestly better than the store-bought ones. So let's start making our peanut butter. The ingredients you need to make your peanut butter are 2 cups of toasted peanuts, a dash of salt, a tablespoon of honey, and optional, you'll also need a tablespoon of chocolate powder, the kind that you use usually to make, like, for example, saying brands, Nesquik. So if you want to make your chocolate beverage, the powder you would use to put in your kids' milk to make it taste nicer, or your own if you enjoy chocolate milk. So that's something optional. Okay, so just to get started, you're going to need to toast your peanuts. You're going to put your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius, and you're going to put your peanuts there for about 6 to 10 minutes, and then you're going to take them out. The next part is just while they're cooling down, you let them cool down just for a couple of minutes, and then you add them to your food processor. You're going to start processing them, and there it's like several phases of the peanuts. The first part is they break down, the second part is they get kind of like sand, and then more minutes pass by and it's going to turn into a paste. The peanuts start releasing their natural oils. You don't need to add any extra oil. The peanuts have plenty of oil on their own. So once that starts happening, that you start seeing the peanuts turning into a paste, which is the peanut butter, then you can add your honey and your salt. I'm not adding any salt to mine because I bought salted peanuts, so no need to add more salt. But if you do add the salt, then this is the time to add the pinch of salt. It's really nothing, whatever you can grab with the tips of 2 fingers. You just grab that and add it in there. You're going to process for a while until you see that your peanut butter has the texture you want, which is really nice and creamy. We're done. That's how you make peanut butter. It is so super easy. Let me show you guys how it looks. So you see it does look exactly the same as your store-bought one. See? Nice and creamy and smooth. You can make it chunky if you want. You just process your peanuts a bit less. But here's a tip. You can make your peanut butter without toasting your peanuts. The difference is it will take much, much longer than if you toast them. Let's say without toasting, it'll take you the full 20 minutes versus if you do toast them, it takes half that time. It takes about 10 minutes. It also depends on your food processor that you have, how strong it is and how good it is at processing and breaking the peanuts down. But otherwise, taste-wise, it's going to be practically the same. I've honestly not noticed much of a difference. Another thing is now we're going to make the chocolate version. So here you can use any kind of chocolate powder you have to make the chocolate milk you use at home. Nesquik is probably one of the most common brands you can find around the world, but I live in Switzerland and we have this amazing stuff which is called Cautina. That's the one I'm going to use. So here's the time to add your chocolate to your peanut butter to make a chocolate flavored peanut butter, which is also super yummy. You're just going to continue processing until it mixes well. And basically that's it. I mean, it can't get easier than this. You guys have to make your own peanut butter. No chemicals, homemade. You can show it off to your friends. Hey, want some homemade peanut butter? Completely natural. I made it and just feel very proud that you did it on your own. So let's make our chocolate peanut butter. Okay, and just to finish the video, 2 cups of peanuts will make about 1 cup of peanut butter. It's a bit more, so you can have a sandwich right now and enjoy it and see your work. But otherwise, once the peanut butter is done, just let it cool down. You can have it in a Tupperware, in an airtight container, anything you want to use to store it. It has to be stored in the refrigerator, and it will last about 1 month if you don't finish it before, which I think you guys will. It's really good. But as you saw, it's super easy to make. No need to be buying peanut butter in the shop anymore. Look how pretty. They make nice Christmas gifts. Christmas isn't so far away, so just keep that in mind if you want to make homemade Christmas gifts, a basket with homemade goodies. This would be really nice in there. It will look really pretty if you find some nice jars. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please watch the other videos. Just click on the links and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.